In this video, I will demonstrate YY balance configuration. Okay, for that I'm opening Simulink, then create model. For making YY balance configuration, I'm browsing library, and then we have to go Simscape, electrical, specialized power system, and then sources. And we are taking three-phase source. Okay, and we have to take three-phase series RLC load. For that, we have to go passive and three-phase series RLC load. Okay, and for measuring three-phase voltage and current, we have to go sensor and measurement, and then three-phase VI measurement, and we need power block. Okay, that's the preliminary element for our circuit simulation, and I'm connecting this source to measurement block, and this load. Okay, here in three-phase source, this is Y configuration, and if we want to specify internal voltage for each phase, and this is RMS voltage. Okay, I'm taking and phase angle of line to neutral voltage is okay, and frequency okay, and I'm checking the internal impedances of the sources, so I'm clicking OK. So our three-phase source is okay, and our load is Y connected, it's okay, and we want to specify powers for each phases, and nominal phase to neutral voltage for VA, VB, and VC is 240 volt, 40 volt, and 40 volt. Okay, and frequency, nominal frequency 60 Hz, it's okay, and active power I'm taking 500, 500, and 500, and I'm not choosing any reactive power. Also capacity reactive power. So our balanced YY configuration is okay. For measuring voltage and current, I'm taking scope, sync, and then scope. This is voltage and this is current. And now if we want to measure our voltage and current for this load, we may take voltage and current measurement block. For that, sensor and measurement and current measurement block, and for voltage we are taking voltage measurement block, and for current measurement block we have to delete all of these branch. And now if we want to take the RMS values, we may take mask and double clicking on canvas and search for marks. I'm taking marks, and my marks input has 3, so I'm changing number of input is 3, and 1, 2, and 3. Okay, for measuring RMS values we have to go library, and then under electrical we have to go control, and then measurement, and here you will find RMS measurement. Okay, this is RMS measurement. I'm connecting the output of marks to the input of RMS measurement block, and we have to take display for showing the values. Okay, for measuring voltage, to voltage measurement block. Here I'm copying this mask, and 1, 2, 3. I'm copying RMS block and also display block. So our circuit is okay. We may run our model. Now as you can see here, this is our current values, and this is voltages, and here is the wave shape of voltage and currents. And our wave shape is not desired, it's not like a sinusoidal wave. What we have to do, we have to change our model parameter. For that I am going modeling, and then model setting, and then what you have to do, you have to expand toolbar details, and we have to choose max step size as small as we can. So I'm taking 1a minus 5. Okay, and we have to change stop time to a small value as we have talking max step size is very small. Okay, so that's cool. Here are these values. Here I have made a small modification of the RLC load. Here I made a mistake. My nominal phase meter voltage was 120 volt, and I stuck in 240 volt. So there's a small modification for that, and now everything is okay. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss our future videos.